Prime Minister Andrew Holness is expected to make a major announcement next week in relation to the temporary appointment of Brian Sykes as Chief Justice. That's according to Justice Minister Delroy Chuck. In adding his views to the debate on Justice Sykes' appointment, Mr. Chuck argues that it's not a bad move and could even work out in the public's favour. TVJ's Kirk Wright has this primetime news follow-up.
Word from Justice Minister Delroy Chuck on Friday is that the Prime Minister will be making an announcement on the appointment of Justice Brian Sykes in short order. Mr. Chuck related the information in an interview with TVJ News this morning.
Something will happen. I don't want to steal the thunder of the Prime Minister or the Governor General, and therefore I can just intimate that in short order things will happen.
It's the first time Justice Minister is adding his voice publicly to the discussion around the acting appointment of Justice Sykes, and his stance is basically aligned with that of his cabinet colleagues that the appointment is not unconstitutional.
I hear you, and with all respect, but it kind of sounds like what you're trying to do is to justify something that is unconstitutional.
I don't think it's not unconstitutional. The Section 99(1) allows the Prime Minister to ask someone to act. And let us bear in mind that a decision as to who should or could be the next Chief Justice was not agreed on within the last moments of the present Chief Justice demitting office. So it was absolutely necessary that the candidate we thought best, at very best at least, to put him to act. And as far as I can see, it is quite constitutional.
Mr. Chuck says discussions on the appointment of a new Chief Justice were taking place long before Chief Justice Zayla McCullough actually retired, and that cabinet had many candidates to consider. But he says perhaps it's at the last moment that focus was placed on Justice Sykes. A part of Mr. Chuck's defense is that the temporary appointment could work out in the public favor.
If the Prime Minister had appointed someone to act and that person turned out to be a disaster, then it's obvious that everyone would say it's a good thing.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.